We have 500,000 euros in the room. Does the gentleman wish to bid again?
Had me worried there for a minute, Victor. Thought I might have to kill you.
Okay, let's ruin this asshole's evening.
Anyone else? We are going once. Going twice? Then I shall sell it for 500,000. Ladies and gentlemen, please remain calm. The backup power will come on shortly.
It's gone! Sbarrate tutte le uscite, nessuno deve lasciare la vita. Nessuno!
Move it! Get out of the way! Stop him! Hey, stop that guy!
Fermo!
What are you doing? You letting him get away? You speak...
Sparisci.
What?
Sam, tell me you got the cross.
Got St. Dismas right here. You wanna say hi?
Yeah, we've really kicked the hornet's nest down here. Ballroom's locked down, security's scrambling.
Hey, Victor, where's our getaway?
Come to the driveway out front. Just follow the spotlights. I'll bring the car around.
Shit!
Chiunque sia stato non può essere lontano. Se la merce lascia la proprietà ci rimettiamo il culo.
Ehi, bastardo! Spera solo di beccarti subito una pallottola in testa!
Se i rozzi ti beccano vivo ti impiccano davanti alla villa e ti lasciano lì per un anno.
Easy.
Ho visto qualcosa che si muoveva vicino alla torre.
Devi farlo sapere a tutti, cazzo! Tieni gli occhi aperti!
Aspetta, un attimo.
Porto allarme.
Okay, maybe we should have brought guns. Shit! Wait, don't shoot at me! I'm lost! Ah, hell!
Nathan, what is going on?
I'm being shot at.
Told you we should have brought guns.
I know.
Merda, se riescono a svignarsela,
Gotta climb and get a good vantage
Li
point.
troveremo e li riempiremo di buchi.
ma
Sappiamo cosa fare. Resta concentrato.
d'accordo.
How we doing, Nathan?
I'm on my way. Heading to higher ground to get my bearings.
All right, see you soon.
Yeah.
Prima o poi ti troverò! allora? Trovato nulla! Non ho trovato niente!
Okay, everything's fine. No one got a good look at me. Just gonna play it cool, stroll right on out of here. Oh, scusi.
You're not supposed to be back here.
Well, neither are you. But I'll tell you what, I won't tell anyone if you don't.
You have something I want, and you're going to give it to me.
Really? Well, I'm flattered, but I'm afraid I'm spoken for. If you'll excuse me.
I'm not in the mood for games. Give me the crucifix.
Lady, you're lucky I'm a gentleman. Because if I were...
You'd what?
All right, fine. Just remember, I didn't want to do this.
Let's see what you've got. Don't telegraph so much.
I'm just trying to make it fair.
Nice try.
I gave you that one. Wait.
Come here. Now hand me the artifact.
Do you know how many artifacts I've collected over the years? You're gonna need to be more specific.
Let me see if I can clarify.
All right, look. I'm still a little jet-lagged. How about we just call it even? Oh, son of a...
Have you had enough? Or do you want to keep being a smartass?
Okay, come clean. You're no chiropractor. Your technique is really not helping my back. All right, wait! It's in my back pocket.
Where is it?
Right there.
Alright, I'm at the car. Where the hell are you guys?
Just met your friend, Nadine Ross. She's lovely.
Yeah? Well, it's total chaos out here. They're trying to keep it contained, but everybody's freaking out. I don't want to rush you, but hurry the hell up.
Nathan, where you at?
Good question. You?
By the ballroom. Look for this round sign thing. It's on the way.
Round sign thing. Check.
Good news is I got a gun. See you soon.
Te lo giuro, ho visto qualcuno che usciva dalla finestra della biblioteca.
L'ho sentito, ma non sono riuscito a vederlo. Perlustrate i tetti.
Qui, vetri rotti. Ho trovato dei vetri rotti.
Alright, I'm at the car. Where the hell are you guys?
Just met your friend, Nadine Ross. She's lovely.
Yeah? Well, it's total chaos out here. They're trying to keep it contained, but everybody's freaking out. I don't want to rush you, but hurry the hell up.
Nathan, where you at?
Good question. You?
By the ballroom. Look for this round sign thing. It's on the way.
Round sign thing. Check.
Good news is I got a gun. See you soon.
Te lo giuro, ho visto qualcuno che usciva dalla finestra della biblioteca.
L'ho sentito, ma non sono riuscito a vederlo. Perlustrate i tetti.
Qui, vetri rotti. Ho trovato dei vetri rotti.
Sono passati da questa parte.
hanging in there?
I can't get to you from here. You got a way down?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. I'll meet you at the driveway. Just head towards the ballroom.
All right, see you there.
Gli spari venivano da qui. Se tacciate
Victor, I'm kind
l'aria.
of stuck here. Any ideas?
Fastest way to the ballroom.
You said the ballroom's locked out.
Yeah, well, now that they know it's you guys, they cleared the place out.
That ballroom it is. You get that, Nathan?
Yeah, got it.
Ti troverò. Parate!
Hey!
Veniamo a prenderti!
Okay. Okay, almost to the ballroom.
Nathan, I'm pinned down in here. I could use a hand.
On my way, Sam. Oh, good.
Laggiù! Ho sentito qualcosa!
Andiamo a dare un'occhiata.
Aspetta.
this auction, huh?
Oh yeah, me too.
Rounding you!
All right, boys, change of plan. Too many people trying to leave. The driveway's all jammed up.
Shit, where's our backup?
There's that fountain just outside the ballroom. I'll meet you there.
Got it. Let's go.
They brought my plan! We need to get the hell out of here!
Sam, this way!
Right behind you!
Sully, we're running out of time here.
Hold on, kid. Nearly there. Almost there.
Unless you're driving a hearse, you better hurry. No, 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 no!